What's the meaning of borderland? Borderland. Borderland.
Borderland. Borderland. The term borderland generally refers to a geographical region adjacent to a political or cultural boundary. Often characterized by a unique blend of cultures and languages, borderlands are places where diverse peoples and traditions intersect and interact. They can be sites of conflict but also of creativity and innovation. Scholars and writers have explored the significance of borderlands in various contexts, from colonialism to globalization. Overall, the concept of borderland highlights the complexity and fluidity of borders, which are not fixed or natural but rather constructed and contested.